and I've been by your side, but I need space right now. Got my mind and my money, gotta hustle cause it's gold tight. I just got to do me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am going to be attempting the bald cap method. It actually works really good and makes your wigs look really natural. So today I decided to film this video, maybe showing some of you guys that are beginners this method that maybe can help you as far as, you know, applying your lace front wigs. And it has really helped me a lot to make my wigs actually look more natural. So I will come on here and show you guys that are beginners something that, you know, you probably have already seen because it's like all over YouTube right now. So yeah, I want to just jump right into the video and get started. And basically what you'll need for this method is obviously a wig cap, and I got this one from Sally Beauty Supply Store. I think it was like less than $1. It's the First Line Evolve Essentials. It's a 2-pack wig cap, and the color is neutral, and it looks like this. And as you can see in that little cutout on the left hand side, there's like a, you know, area where you can see what the actual wig cap looks like, and it's that like nude neutral color. But that's perfect for me because I'm going to be applying my foundation color to the wig cap, so it actually looks like a bald cap and it looks more natural. So next you'll need some type of adhesive, and the one I'm going to be using is the Got To Be Glued Lasting Freeze Spray Screaming Hold for Hair. You can find this at Walmart, and I believe it was under $5. And it's actually a pretty, you know, nice size for the price. So this is what it looks like right here. And then it has the nozzle where you can spray the product out. Real easy. So the next product is also a Got To Be product. This is the Ultra Glued Invisible Styling Gel, and this one is in the black tube. And I actually use this to lay my actual hair flat underneath the bald cap, so it's not like clumped up or anything like that. So I just, you know, slick my hair back with this and then apply the bald cap so it lays flat when I apply my wig. So I'm going to be using a foundation to actually mute out that neutral nude color. So the one I'm going to be using is the Revlon Color Stay, the 24-hour. This is just an old foundation that I found in my drawer that I decided, oh, I can use this for, you know, my tutorial or video. And this, I'm going to be dabbing this on the hairline of the wig cap so that it blends in with my actual skin tone better. And this is what it looks like. Now to apply the foundation to the wig cap, I'm going to be just using a Real Technique sponge, just an old makeup sponge. And I'm just going to be using the flat surface to dab the product in, so I'm not like rubbing or smearing anything. So I'm just going to be literally dabbing the product along my hairline. Also, you're going to need a pair of scissors. Mine are really tiny. I find that well, actually, I've never used a big pair of scissors to cut off the excess lace. I've only used this one for the first time that I ever, you know, tried this method, and this worked really good because I'm able to like get in there along the hairline to get those little pieces off. So if you can, try to find a small pair of scissors that, you know, you can use to remove the lace from your hairline. Now I'm going to be using a toothbrush and a rat tail comb. And I'm just using this to slick back my hair once I apply the Got To Be Ultra Glue Gel to my edges. I'm just going to be using these two to slick back my natural hair. Okay, so the final thing that you'll need to complete this process is a blow dryer. Now you can just let it air dry on its own, but that takes way too long and ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm going to be using my blow dryer right here, and it has this like skinny nozzle attachment on the end so that it can concentrate the air right on my edges, so it can just, you know, dry up real quick. So this is the one I'm going to be using. This is by Fahrenheit. This is the hair care system. As you can tell, it's kind of beat up and I've been using it for a long time, so don't worry about that. But just use any blow dryer that you have, or if you have a fan, sit in front of the fan so it can dry. But I prefer a blow dryer just because it's easier and, you know, it takes less time. So Okay, so now the cap is pretty much completely dried and it is hard and stiff at this point. Now we're gonna proceed and try to cut the excess off. Now you wanna cut as closest to your hairline as you can get, because you don't want like extra lace like hanging down or whatever, showing, you know, past the wig. But so try to cut as close to your hairline as you can. Like my hairline is about right here, and it kind of dips out and then comes back in. So I'm just gonna try to cut in the shape of my hairline. But for you, cut in the shape of your own hairline. Don't go by my hairline, because obviously all of our hairlines are different. So just cut along your hairline, excess off. Now for the ear part, this part over here, you want to try to cut around your ear. So don't just leave it like this, obviously. So try to cut going up around your ear. Now this flap right here, I'm just gonna spray some more spray on it and try to smooth it down. So now my hairline kind of dips in right here and then comes out. So I'm gonna try to cut basically like a triangle shape to get that piece. Also, one thing you can do, I take my scissors, and if I can't get under there with the scissors, like trying to just go in and cut, I use the tip to like kind of peel it back a little bit. And that helps get in those little spaces where your hairline kind of dips in and out. I don't know why. For some reason, I feel like I look like Cisco right now with this top on. Maybe it's the color, I don't know. And please do not stab yourself in the head with these scissors. I do not want any of y'all getting injured out there trying to do this. So be careful with scissors, kids. Now, I don't have to be completely perfect, but I'm a perfectionist, so I'm trying to get it as perfect as possible. As long as you get it as close to your hairline as possible, as flat as possible, you're good. I'm just being extra trying to get it perfect. Okay guys, so my camera cut off and I'm sorry about that, but I just went ahead and dried this side and then I just cut out the little piece that was over here. So now we're going to go in and try to smooth out the little rolled up edges or whatever with some more gel. Damn, I almost dropped it. Some more gel and freeze spray just so that it's laying smooth. Ooh, that is hard. Hard. That's what you want. You want it to be hard. Yes. So now for the last step, to make it actually look like a bald head, you're gonna go in with your foundation, which I showed you guys is a Revlon Color Stay, number 450 Mocha. And there it is again. I'm gonna take this on my Real Technique sponge and I'm just gonna pat along my hairline to make it blend in with my skin. Why did that do that? Y'all, I am so hungry. I literally ate one time today, and when I get done filming this video, I'm about to go smash because I think there's some leftover pizza from last night, some DiGiorno Supreme pizza. I'm about to smash. So I'm gonna take this on the back of my hand. You don't need a whole lot. You don't want it to be too cakey or anything under your wig. So I got about that much. So I'm gonna take my flat side and I'm gonna dab it in all over my hand. And then I'm gonna start patting it in my hairline. I'm gonna need some more because this ain't gonna be enough. As we go. Now you don't need to take this all the way back on the cap, just about maybe about 3 inches, and you should be good. Now, the first time I tried this, I used my concealer and no, it was too light. So I prefer using my foundation now because it just looks more natural, and that's what we want to go for. Now you can use your concealer if you want to, but I prefer my foundation because it just, like I said, it looks more natural. And when I'm not wearing makeup, I don't want it to look weird against my, actual complexion. So I decided to use my foundation. And voila! Now we're gonna go in with the blow dryer one more time to dry the foundation in so it's not just wet up there. So we're gonna use the blow dryer one more time and dry that bad boy down. Now that, my darlings, is the finished product. Now you can't tell me I don't got a bald head right now. Like, that just looks too crazy. Oh, and I wanted to say, okay, so obviously I'm wearing makeup in this video, so there's like makeup, like there may be like a line showing. I don't know if it is or not, but it could be like a line of where my makeup kind of like mixed in with the freeze spray or the gel. Don't mind that, because you can just go back in and fix that. If you actually apply this wearing makeup, don't even worry about that. You can go back in and fix it. But yeah, so this is the finished video or finished product, and it came out quite nice. Now when I apply my lace wig, I might film a video actually applying my lace wig. So yeah, check for that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was really helpful. So try this method out. Let me know in the comments if it works for you or if you found this video helpful. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the bell, turn on your notifications so you'll be notified from me every time I post a video, and also share this video with your friends or family. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video.